Have you ever eaten sushi or a California roll? Have you ever eaten kimchi? Have you ever been to Seoul? No, I've never eaten kimchi. I've never been to Seoul. And I've never, ever eaten a California roll. This is another of Carolyn Graham's wonderful jazz chants. This one's on the present perfect tense. Now you can explain this in a diagram with a timeline. The red arrow marks now, and the present perfect tense refers to everything in the past. It's often called the tense you use for experience. Now the form of this is have you plus the past participle, or have you ever plus the past participle. And the answer is yes, I have. No, I haven't. Or in the case of have you ever, you would probably say, no, I've never, and finish the sentence. Songs like California Roll enable students to practice these forms while following the song. Have you ever eaten pizza or spaghetti bolognese? Have you ever eaten olives or walked the Appian Way? No, I've never eaten olives or walked the Appian Way. And I've never, ever eaten spaghetti bolognese. Okay, here's one about Australia. Have you ever had a meat pie or a prawn on a barbecue? Have you ever been to Sydney or seen a kangaroo? No, I've never been to Sydney or seen a kangaroo. And I've never, ever eaten a prawn on a barbecue. Finally, here's one about Thailand. Have you ever eaten tom yum or mugatium pik thai? Have you ever eaten somtam or pad see ew sai gai? No, I've never eaten somtam or pad see ew sai gai. And I've never, ever eaten mugatium pik thai. Now for a class exercise. You could divide the class into pairs or in teams, and they can ask each other, have you ever, using topics like food or travel. They could even make up their own verse to perform for the rest of the class. Jazz chants are just great for beginner learners of English, to get them speaking, and speaking in a natural way too. Of course, these are based on the work of Carolyn Graham. There are more videos on Jazz Chants on my YouTube channel, Jazz Chants for All. Thanks for watching.